Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today it's about this 15 to 35 f2.8 RF lens. You're gonna find out today if this is all worth it, or you can just buy the alternative lens, the older lens, which is the 16 to 35 f4 IS, the one that I'm using right now. Thanks to Lighthouse Studio for the rentals. I rented this one. They did a collaboration between Shark DG and Lighthouse, so that's the reason why I was able to get my hands on this very expensive lens right here. We're going to talk about a few things: the extra added stop on this lens, the price tag, the weight, and the length or the footprint of this lens compared to the 16 to 35 f4. What I do most of the time is taking videos. That's the reason why I purchased this 16 to 35 f4. It is IS, and if you combine it with the Canon EOS R6 body, you get that 7-axis or 7-stop of image stabilization. I can film with this lens and the R6 whole day with just handheld. You won't even know the difference between handheld and with the gimbal on, right? That's how good it is with the f4. Now with this lens, this is 2.8, so you're getting that extra light, and it's a native RF glass. You don't need an adapter to use this lens. It just pops right into your camera, into your RF system, and that's pretty much it. No need of that added length to your gear, right? Let me try this one, and I'm going to show you right now. This is at 26 or 25 mil, and if I go to 16, this is how wide it is. IS is off, digital IS off. Only the one that is working right now is the IBIS and lens stabilization. So this is how it looks like, 16 mil. Look how wide it is. You can see that everything, right? I'm going to switch to the 15 to 35. Okay, so this is the 15 to 35 RF glass, and right now, as you can see, I'm overexposed because it's on f2.8 right now. And if I go down to, that's about right, 1250 ISO. The focal length right now is at 28 mil, and this is the Canon EF 16 to 35 f4 IS with the Canon adapter. Now if you remove the adapter, this is it. It's very small, compact, lightweight, right? If we put the adapter back in, it's a bit long. So right now it's f2.8 1/60th. This is 4K, 1250 ISO. It's doubled the f4, of course. There's a better compression in the background, as you can see. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna film a random things here in the living room, and then you can tell which one is which, if it's the 15 to 35 or the 16 to 35. this is them side by side comparison between the two lenses. As you can see, there's only just a little bit of a difference between the two. Weight-wise, the EF lens is significantly lighter than the RF lens. This is the size comparison between the 16-35 and the 15-35 without the adapter. Now, if I put on the adapter here, you're gonna see it's a bit longer than it's supposed to be, the adapter, okay? Now, it's the same height as the 15-35. And regarding the weight, I feel like they're both the same weight now. One more thing that I need to point out is the barrel. 15-35 barrel, it extends. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like on a Canon EOS RP. Now if you're wondering how it will look like filming the RP, and this is how it looks like. I'm filming now with the Canon EOS RP with the 15-35 f2.8. This is 1080p upscale to 4K, ISO 800, and there's not going to be a wobble because this body doesn't have the IBIS, and as you can see, it's great for vlogging. And this is at the telly end, and look how the background separation is happening right there. Yes, right. There's a bit of a compression behind it. Now if you go all the way to the 15mm, it's my son's toys, but yes, it's very wide. There's no wobble at all on the Canon EOS RP. This is the reason why sometimes I vlog using the Canon EOS RP. Alright you guys, so this is a low light situation test of this 15-35 RF. I'm shooting at 2.8 ISO 3200. Very clean, super wide, and this is the telly end of this lens. Looks amazing. Compression really good at 2.8. And that's pretty much it. The experience with the 15-35 is amazing. I love it so much. I mean, I fell in love with the 16-35, the older brother, and with the native RF glass and the f2.8 and the control ring that you have when you're using the RF system. It's amazing. If you can afford the 15-35, go for it. You won't have any regrets. It's an amazing lens. It's 2.8. It works great in a low light situation, which I tested a couple times. And with the R6 and the R5 body, you won't get that noise ever again using the 15-35. But if you're on a tight budget, like everybody else or like me, go for the 16-35 f4 or the 2.8. If you're not into videos, you can go with the 2.8 version 2 or 3. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Comment down below if you have any questions about cameras or lenses or whatever it is that you can think of. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.